What's up guys, my name is Joe and today we're talking about a bunch of BTS boys. If you didn't already know, BTS is a huge K-pop group known internationally, and in the past years they've been blowing up. And they've got 7 members. We've got Jimin, RM, Suga, V, Jungkook, J-Hope, and Jin. So all the members have a unique hairstyle that the ARMY go crazy over. And I wish I had time to talk about all of them, but today we're only going to be talking about 4. So the first member we're talking about is Jungkook, or JK, and he's famous for this coconut hairstyle that's gone crazy all over the internet. Jungkook is one of the members that dyes his hair the least, but one time he surprised his fans by showing off his forehead and his fuchsia hair color. But recently, Jungkook has started to part his hair and add a bit more curls to the hairstyle as well. The next member we're talking about is Jimin, aka Baby Mochi, and the reason why he's called Baby Mochi is because of his soft cheeks. So Jimin has a bad hair habit where he's constantly playing around with his hair and all the other members make fun of him for it. Jimin has a really amazing stage presence and he's a really good dancer, but one time he did showcase a hairstyle that blew the fans away. It was this ashy silver brown hairstyle that he slicked to the back. So this video went viral online and Jimin gained a lot of international fans and recognition worldwide. Wait, what?
What's going on over here?
I'm filming a video.
I can see that. This is for the BluMaan channel.
Yeah, I'm Joe.
What do you mean? I'm Joe.
You're Joe with that wacky hair?
All right, listen.
Wait, hold on.
This is I'm taking it from here. All right, so the next person that we're going to talk about is
V. He's ranked most handsome face of K-pop in 2018. V likes to rock his hair down with a lot of texture. V's all about being expressive and staying true to himself. No matter what the antis say, he doesn't let negativity bring him down and he does whatever makes him happy. And finally, we're talking about RM. RM likes to change up his hairstyle all the time and he's done everything from a faux hawk to a side part. Lately, RM is trying something more simple. A basic middle part with a little bit of texture. Through experimenting with different hairstyles, he's finally found the one that works for him. Currently, he's growing out his hair and we're excited to see what he's gonna do next. That's all I have today, guys. We filmed an extra BTS-inspired hairstyling tutorial over on the BluMaan community channel, and I'll leave that link down below. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. What?
Let's go return these stupid sweaters.
All right.